to the delta.
I kind of... Hi! This is for the vlog. 49.
Walking down to the delta.
Guys, sariling sikap po tayo. Anes. Ay, wait. Hello everyone! So, we're ready. Actually, we're still getting ready. And someone wants to come with us. Fit check. So, I'm just wearing like this super makapal na sweater, pero inside, nakasando po ako, guys. Kasi, sobrang biglaan tong aming snow na hindi ako nakabili like ng crop top. Ng crop top na mahaba mangga. So, tiis ganda na lang po tayo, Anes. Then, leggings. And, my UGG na black. Yeah. So, Masha is currently wearing her jacket, leggings, but yung thermal leggings niya yan. And she's not feeling well. Actually, ngayon niya lang nalaman na magsusnow kami. Are you excited? And Leo talaga, gusto niya sumama. Ay, diba? Mukha kami mga turista. Guys, sipak. Happy breakfast. Masha! Hi! Hi guys! So we are currently here sa snow. Wow! She's sliding. So guys, yun nga po. Magkakain po muna kami bago mag like snow fight and everything. Right, Masha? Smiley! Smiley! Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Oh, careful. Ay! Oh my God. I just... Kita sa video. Ah! Did you guys see that? Lunchtime first. Hi! Guys, it's so cold here. Oh my God. And ang saya naman. We were like, this wasn't our first plan, like to go here, but doon sa parang pinakapupuntahan namin kasi is parang kakaunti lang yung snow. So we decided that dito na lang sa may kalsada pumunta, and worth it naman guys kasi ang ganda ng view. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapag-snow. I mean, this is not my first time sa snow because we also lived in Canada, of course. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapag-snow after I don't know how many years. So, yun. So, nawala na yung araw. Like, bababa na lang kami. Doon sa parang pinakababa doon kasi mayroon pa doon na may snow. So, ayun. Let's go!
Oh, you can put it in the car, inside the car.
So, dito dito, guys. May chance na madulas po kami. Anes.
Grisha!
Guys. Hey, look.
Uwi na tayo eh. Tara, uwi tayo. Picture muna.
Masha, what are you doing? Wow, snowman. Krisha, let's build a snowman. Let's build a snowman.
Brandy, Qua. Let's put it here. Like that. Oh, a lot.
Oh, guys, nagsusnow. I don't know if you guys can see it sa camera, pero it's snowing. Hindi naman siya ganun kalakas, pero nagsusnow. Anong saya! Ah! Dai! Ancora! Ancora! Ah! Oh! Careful! Ah!
Hindi na virgin yung kanina mo.
Aray ko. So guys, ang saya. And wala lang, ngayon is taakit kami kasi magmemerienda kami. And yeah, ang saya. Masha, it's snowing! See? Oh. Let me see your ball.
She's eating.
So, magkikabuha.
Oddio no, troppo zoomato! Aspetta, non riesco a levare.
Ma che cavolo fai?
I'm alright.
Io potrei buttare nel pistacchio, te lo giuro.
Oh! Stop it! Stop it! Ah! I was about to go here. Say hi to the vlog. What did you eat? Ito po lagi ang kaganapan namin paggabi. Kasama si Leo. Leo! Lagi siyang niyayakap lang ganyan. Tapos ayaw naman ng aso.
Abrado. Zampa. Stridi. 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 Alzati. 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 Bravo.
Batti 5.
Batti 5. Oh, batti 5. Okay, basta.
Yan po yung mga technique na natuturo ni Leo. Na. Hey guys, outfit check. So I'm just wearing this neat top, leggings, and white shoes. So today it's Valentine's Day. I'm going out kasi need ko magpa-picture. Alam niyo yan, need ko magpa 1x1 picture. And may pimple ako dito. Kung kailan ako magpapa-picture, syempre, lalabas siya. Today is Valentine's Day nga, so bibili ako ng flowers for myself. Current situation. Ayan siya. Is my date this Valentine's. Ay, nako. Busy siya. Hello everyone! So, I'm currently out. So, biglaan sponty date. Kasama yung tita ko, tita pinsan. So, yun. Let's go! Sariling sikap po. Ano yan? Sariling sikap? Guys, sariling sikap po tayo. Anes. Ay, wait. Lagyan natin ang flash. Sariling sikap. Flowers. So cute. So pretty. A kind of... Bakit mo ginigyan? Naman siya, eh? No, babe. When Hindi pala bulaklak ang solusyon. Hi! This is for the vlog. Hi. Guys, I clean my brushes. Yes, clean po siya. And I have here Leo. Natawa ako kasi nilagay namin dito yung bed niya. Kasi sa paso siya before na higa. Then parang, yan, tumayo na siya. Ayan, nilagay ko na lang yung bed dito ngayon lang. Para habang nagpapaaraw siya, kakahiya naman. Hindi siya sa sahig. And dito siya sa kama, nakahiga. Itong gusto ko sa Lidl na to, guys. I mean, supermarket na to. Ang daming ano yan? Chubanes. So, diba? May pano, chocolate. Oh, sorry. And we have lots of stuff here. Right, Masha? Oh? That's why we like here. Because you have a lot of choices. And look at the price. Like, this one is 49, 29, see? Cents. And we got all of this.